How to create a website with Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm giving you a tutorial on how to get started on Shopify.com, create your own website, your online store, and build your own brand. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you're going to go to Shopify.com and you will land on this website right here. Shopify.com is a global e-commerce platform that allows you to build your business. You can create your online store and sell your products. It's a very good platform for a beginner if you want to get started with your own business and actually have a storefront that sells. How to get started? It's actually really easy to do. Once you get to Shopify.com, you will get the login option and then we have start your free trial. So you can get a free trial with Shopify. That actually helps us a lot to figure out Shopify, and then you can buy your plan eventually and be a Shopify member. Creating a store is really easy. There are different simple steps to it. So first, let's get started. Which of these best describes you? I am just starting, or I am already selling online or in person. So as a complete beginner, I'm just going to go with I am just starting. Then you're going to click on next. After that, where would you like to sell? Now we have an online store. We have an existing website or blog that we can connect to Shopify. Then we have a social media. So if you already have a Facebook, Instagram store, then you can connect it to your Shopify. Then we have an online marketplace in person, or I'm not sure. So we are creating an online store. We are creating our own website. So you will select this first option here. Then you're going to click on next. What do you plan to sell first? Products I buy or make myself, digital products, dropshipping products, services, print on demand, or decide later. Now, it depends on what kind of product you want to sell. So, I will be selling my own products that we make, so I will select this. But if you want to sell your digital products such as musical, digital art, or NFTs, you can go with this one. And then, of course, we have dropshipping. So, if you want to do dropshipping with Shopify, you will select this option. Now, we're going to click on next. After that, we have to give our store a name. So here you will give your store a name. I'm just going to quickly add the name here. Then you're going to click on next. You can see it will also give you a domain name, which is going to be with myshopify.com. Click on next. Now you select your region. Then you can sign up with your email address, Apple, Facebook, or Google account. So what I will do is I will just click on continue with email. Here, enter your email address and set up a password for your Shopify. Click on create Shopify ID and your Shopify account will be created. Once you click on create, it will be created and you will simply be driven to your Shopify admin. After the initial sign up, this is where you will land. You can see this is our Shopify admin and we got this admin for free. This is our Shopify main hub where we can do a lot. You can see we have the home option. Then we have the orders where I will be getting the orders for my Shopify store that we just created. We have our product section where we can create products. We have customers, content, analytic, marketing, discounts. Then we have our sales channel. Now this is where I can customize my storefront, my online website that we just created. And then now we also have point of sale. We can sell our products here and we have ad apps and settings. When it comes to setting up your Shopify store, there are a few things that you will need to do. First of all, add products. So you can go to the product section right here and you will add a bunch of different products here. You can also import and export your products really easily with these options given. After that, setting up a payment method and shipping is an important part. So you can go to these settings here. Inside your settings, we have payments. This is where we set up our payment gateway for Shopify. You will be able to add a payment provider. You can add supported payment methods and manual payment methods that will help you withdraw money really easily and accept payments. Then we have our checkouts and we have shipping and delivery. This is where we can do the shipping and delivery settings for our Shopify store. In shipping, we can select if we want to go for domestic, international, then we have processing time. We can add local delivery here, local pickups, customization, and then we have notifications where we can set up the different emails. We have domain. So this is where we can connect and transfer our domain. Then of course, we have all of the settings here for our store that we just created. So once you create a store on Shopify, we can actually customize our online store. So you will go to the online store section here and then you have to select themes. In themes, you can scroll down and you will be able to see your theme for the store that you have. So with Shopify, you will be getting the dawn theme as a default, and we can click on customize and we will be able to customize it. And you can also choose from different popular themes available on Shopify. So these are the different storefronts that are available. It depends on the type of product you're creating, the type of store you're creating, and the website you want. So let me show you this one right here. So once you click on customize, it takes you right here. You can see this is my store right now and I can customize it completely. We have our home page. You select the page from here, then you can add different sections to it. We can add like different templates. We have banner images, we have buttons, we can add collections, we can add header and footer. Then we have the design here, which is the theme settings where we can change the color, we can change the typography, layouts, we can change the inputs, the product cards, and much more. So you can see all of these settings are for the store that we have, and we customize the store. First, you select the page from here. You can see with this theme, we are getting our website. Our online store has the pages for our website has homepage, product page, collection, collection list, pages, blogs, cart, and checkout. So you can see all of these pages right here that are added within the theme that we can customize. So if I show you a full online store that we can create on Shopify, like this is the Dawn theme, and once it's customized, this is what it looks like. You can see we have our all of the buttons here, we have our pages, and you can scroll down, we have our banner image. These are the products showcased. So this is the kind of website we can create with Shopify. You can see once you get started, you will customize your store. We can add videos, of course, we can add different sections. This is the footer here. We can also check out the different payment methods. We have our socials. So you can see these actually look pretty good. The products actually look amazing. We have this zoom in view too, and we have the product categories, everything. So this is what a store looks like on Shopify once you customize it. And once you get started, then you will get to the admin here and you can customize everything. We can upload the content, and we also get the analytic and marketing within our Shopify admin right here, so that we can work on the marketing aspects, and we can work on the we can also check out the analytics, how many visitors we have, what's the overview of our store, what's happening, how many customers we're getting. So everything will be shown right here within your Shopify store. A Shopify website looks amazing. You select any of the theme, and then you can create your own brand, build your business, and grow. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to get started with Shopify and how to create an online store or a website with Shopify.com. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.